Hey dolls! Today I'm sharing 7 hacks to inspire yourself to write. If you're creating a series or want to create a series, this video should hopefully help fuel your fire to get you motivated to write, whether you're making a Barbie series, LPS series, or something else entirely. Let's get started! Number 1. Set up a nice workspace. Who wants to work at a messy desk? A neat, organized, and aesthetically pleasing workspace, on the other hand, is very inviting, encouraging, and less distracting. There are lots of ways to personalize your space without making it too cluttered, like buying a colorful keyboard, fun mousepad, or wall art. The options are pretty much endless here, so you can have a lot of fun creating a productive work area. Number 2. Create a writing schedule. This will naturally push you to write more often. If you incorporate a set time to write, your brain could be more prepared to work each session. You'll know to think ahead so that you have stuff to write about. But more importantly, a schedule ensures that you're not waiting around for inspiration. Sometimes, the inspiration just doesn't come. And the best way to get inspired is to simply force yourself to get started. Trust me, I've done this a lot, and I know it sounds really dumb to say, just write, but this will get easier after you get started. I know it can be really intimidating for me to tell you to just force yourself to write, but a lot of times find the hardest part is to get started, so this one has helped me out a lot. Number 3, trick yourself into writing more. I know that might sound weird, but hear me out. Give yourself a specific limit to write. So say you'll write for half a page or for half an hour. You can have a page limit or a time limit or something else that works for you. Telling yourself to only write a little bit might make starting a little less daunting. Once you reach your initial time or page goal, you'll more than likely realize that you have it in you to write more. In fact, you might feel like you're just getting started. If that's the case, congratulations! You just tricked yourself into writing more. Number 4. Surround yourself by content that reminds you of your work. Listen to music that reminds you of what you're working on, whether it's the lyrics or the genre of the song or something else. Also, look at dolls that you assigned as characters in your show. If you don't have them picked out yet, browse through your collection or online to find your perfect cast. Then, take it one step further by dressing them up in outfits that suit their character, or if you don't have the dolls, you could look at outfit inspiration online. This might get you in the mood for writing and put your characters on your mind and remind you how much you love your characters. Number 5. Always look for ideas. It's easier to write if you have an idea to work with. Always remain cognizant of the world around you, whether it's people you know or complete strangers. How do others around you act, and what do they say? How does that inspire your work? What ideas does it all give you? I personally have a really long page in my notes app on my phone where I write down random ideas. Trust me, a seemingly minute idea could turn into something big later, so take the extra couple of seconds to write it down if you think of something good. Number 6. Read your work so far. Remind yourself of how incredible your work is, how much fun you have writing it, how wonderful your characters are, and most of all, why your series matters. Usually when I reread my own work, I make subtle tweaks here and there, like fixing plot holes or word choice. But more importantly, you can get ideas from things that have already happened. This is something I do a lot to help keep me inspired to write. It's kind of like what teachers would tell you in school before you take an exam. If you've ever heard of the phrase, use the test to take the test, except with your writing. Examine information already given to you, or in this case created by you, to figure out what happens next. If you haven't started your series yet, that's okay. Remember this tip for later. This one helps me all the time. And lastly, number 7, envision your finished product. How amazing it is, how hard you worked at it, and how proud you are of it. It's almost like manifesting, but that's a whole nother thing that I'm really passionate about, but that's a little too off topic for this video. But anyway, visualizing your finished product will probably get you feeling really excited to see the actual thing, and the only way to see the actual thing is to finish it. So get going, go write! You can do it! Okay, those are all of my writing hacks to keep you inspired to write your series. Whether you're trying to start a new series or combat writer's block on an ongoing series of yours, hopefully these tips can help you out. Personally, I use these hacks all the time and they help me remain inspired to keep writing my own original series, Mind Games, for over 3 years and counting. By the way, if you want to watch that, click the card or the link in the video description. If you want more videos like this, let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment. Want more writing help? Check out this video in the card and video description where I give you 5 common writing mistakes and how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe if you want and follow me on Instagram at MillieWillowsDoll as well as Twitter at MillieWillows59, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!